welcome to fucking Peru. 3 days here in Lima, then we're going out to Cusco for a bit, out to Machu Picchu. It's gonna be an absolute journey. To Cusco in Peru. This is gonna be a fucking adventure and a half. Let's go! So it's the first day in the mountains of Peru. We're just chilling here, going to the central square of this place that is called Cusco. Reminds you a little bit of Europe, cobblestone streets, a bit of European buildings here. But it's a cool vibe, it's a cool vibe. We're gonna do Machu Picchu tomorrow actually. That's gonna be interesting because it's a pretty big hike, but it's always going to be a good journey. So going out there for a night, doing a massive hike, and then potentially we're going to this place called Rainbow Mountain the day after, and also still trying to build that everything in the program. Everything's pretty much done in terms of fulfillment, so it's now really just coming down to launching it properly, like V2 I guess you'd say, in the next couple of weeks, probably even less. Yeah, maybe even a soft launch. We're still figuring it out, but the progression's been great. We're getting a lot of shit done, and it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm excited. It's the 15th or 16th of December today. Almost Christmas, and then after here we're off to Chile. Just cutting it up.
Very weird.
What the
There's like there's something in it.
What is that?
I'll try the one with nothing in it, thank you. Oh, Pip. Oh, there's Pips. Wait, look, he smells good though.
It's like, it feels like chicken, bro.
I was gonna say we should give it back to.
Do we even know what we're eating?
No, but who cares? We can taste it. Do you reckon it's a grape ready?
Testing out some
I feel like
orange
it's
grapes, boys.
tomato.
And Jade's drop test.
Yeah, Jade, grab that one. I'm not eating that
Just
one.
eat it.
Eat nice. Oh, no.
Good. It tastes like a bit dirty. That makes sense.
Alright, so we're eating at this food market in Cusco. It's pretty cool. We're gonna get some steak. I think you both got some stir-fried beef. We got some herbal tea. It's green.
Quite refreshing actually. Quite refreshing.
Recommend it. Bit of herbal tea. Bit of green herbal tea. Let's talk about the feed, lads. Fill it up.
That looks incredible.
We're getting juicy, lads.
Again,
Come on.
gracias.
Thank you. Perfect. Orange, mango, passion fruit. Fucking awesome.
To us.
Yeah. I'm Mario, mate. How are you, brother?
I'm sorry, my English is not so good.
Tell them what you're filming.
Now we have pre-wedding. The couple isn't arrived, so we are waiting.
He's waiting around. He's filming a wedding here in Cusco. Mate, beautiful scenery for it. Like such a good surrounding.
I'm sorry though.
He doesn't understand too much. No, it's nice to meet you, bro. Put it there. Cheers, brother. To give you guys some context on what actually just happened, I met up with Mario, who has been one of my followers for the past 2 years now, and I'm in the middle of Peru. I've never been here in my life, and it just goes to show that the power of social media is actually insane. Like, this guy has been following me and we just accidentally bumped into each other as well. It wasn't even planned, and we had a chat. We talked about what he was doing. He was actually filming a wedding, and it's just crazy to see the people you can connect with around the world, the opportunities that actually open up when you start posting content. Some guy on literally the other side of the planet noticed me, and we chatted for about 20 minutes just catching up. He couldn't speak that good of English, but it was just cool to see how many opportunities you can actually create just from putting yourself out there and doing amazing things. So yeah, I'm blessed. I'm really just reflecting on everything I've done so far, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm in this, look where I am. I never know where I am, but it's just sick. It's just really, really cool. So yeah, grateful, for real. It's cool. I'm watching these kids kick a ball around and hit a ball around, and it really just puts everything into perspective that life isn't really, you can't take it so seriously sometimes, because life is really about the simple things and just about, you know, being around the people you love, hitting a ball around. And I think those moments where you are just enjoying life are the best moments. So yeah, just a little reminder that I liked. Yeah, just moment of gratitude. Appreciate what you have and just enjoy the small things. Don't complain so much. These kids are absolutely loving hitting this ball around, and you know, you're complaining because you don't have the newest iPhone or whatever. It's it's really not that deep. These kids literally don't have much at all, but they're just happy to be playing around with the soccer ball. Life's special. Alright, so it's slightly raining, but we are on our way to the Inca Trail, which will lead us to Machu Picchu. Hopefully it doesn't keep raining. It's a bit cloudy this morning, as you can see, but we're about to get on the train. We had to wake up super early, and honestly I just had no energy to vlog at all, but the day's begun now. I think it's about 6 AM. Let's hop on this bad boy, then let's get going. We're eating coca leaves. You make cocaine out of.
But you don't eat it. You just stick it in your mouth.
She's going in.
Sticking out of my mouth. Like, yeah.
Told you the walk was hard. Oh my god.
Take a moment, guys.
Take a moment. Take a seat. Take a seat. Take a seat. Only about halfway actually, but these absolute legends are cooking up a feast in this green tent. he wants to be in the video. Getting a hand wash and about to go feast in the tent. I appreciate it, thank you. We did it. Made it to Machu Picchu, one of the 7 wonders in the world. This is fucking crazy, bro. This is actually crazy. I've always wanted to explore and do different things with my life, and I mean, doing things like this, being able to explore wonders of the world in Peru, really just makes you feel grateful for, you know, what we have. You don't get to see this stuff every day, but taking it in and really just enjoying the moment, I think, is the best part of this whole experience. And just being able to travel the world and do all these amazing things is seeing places like this, because it's not every day you see this back home in Melbourne. And yeah, it's really cool. I mean, this is history from over the past 600 years, which is crazy. I think even longer. And yeah, just blessed to be able to see this sort of stuff and travel the world. We're gonna get some more clips for you guys, but this is this is absolutely next level. Come on, this is sick. Bit of a emotional moment, but if there's one thing you could ever do with your life, it's to travel, because no school education, no business will ever teach you about life experiences and being able to see the world. You can do so many things, but the best way to actually develop yourself and the person you are is to see the world, because you genuinely become a different person for the better. You learn different things in ways that, you know, traditional education would never be able to teach you. And being able to be in places like this is, yeah, it's crazy. Genuinely blessed. So the beauty about running your own business and being able to do so many amazing things around the world is still being able to collect cash from places like this. I'm in Machu Picchu and I literally just collected a small little deposit of $200 and I'm in the middle of absolute fuck nowhere. But that's the point. I mean, this is what life's all about, eh? Being able to still make a living and being able to do this from anywhere in the world. And I think that's what everyone should strive for, being able to make money from wherever, run your own business, have your own freedom to do the things you want, because everything is becoming more and more stricter all around the world, and being able to have freedom to be able to travel to places like this, enjoy your life and actually live a life of freedom. I think that's what every single one of you should strive for. Boys, we're at the Salt Flats. Last day in Peru, and it's been a journey. Peru's definitely been the best country that we've been to in South America so far. And now we're standing looking at some salt, but it's cool. We're gonna go on some quad bikes, gonna go eat some salt chocolate now, and then we are heading off to Chile tomorrow. Gonna enjoy this last day. It's gonna be fun. There's a lot of water in the Salt Flats, so you can't really see too much salt, but the chocolate should be good. So it's gonna be fun. So have a good fucking day, boys. I like to welcome everybody out to the Samurai. Here we go, one side. Really need, very beautifully, a little rated. Little battle raps for you. Little battle rap. So I'm now in Chile. I'm just out in the backyard. And Peru was fucking insane. Genuinely, it was crazy. It's probably one of the best adventures that I've been on in terms of, you know, walking along the Inca Trail and doing all that sort of stuff, but also just spending time with family and really being around the people that you love, I think is so important. You know, you can spend all this time working and doing things that are going to grow you as a person, but another aspect of that is spending time with your loved ones and really doing the things that matter the most, because at the end of the day, they're always going to be there for you. And so I think this is a reminder just for anyone who's watching this, spend time with your family, spend time with the people who you do love and the people who support you, because I think that is super, super important. And I think that's the message I want to leave you guys with. Chile's going to be awesome. Meeting up with one of my students here, so you guys will see that in the next video, but it's going to be fucking crazy. Life's cool. Life's fucking insane, actually. So yeah, enjoy, and I'll speak to you guys soon.